Hi everyone, my name is Bisek. I'm from casedone.ai. At casedone.ai, we are pro on AI and we know that AI can help businesses, whether you are entrepreneurs or organizations. We think that with AI technology, you can benefit from such technologies to enhance your business. But today I'm here for the first time of our Casedone establishment. We are here to share what we are working on and updates in the industry. For today, we have like 3 topics. The first one is about BART, which got exciting updates that we are going to talk about. The second one is about GPT stores, where OpenAI has launched this GPT store like about a month ago. Today, we are going to try to use it to make our own chat GPT. And the last one is about the updates that OpenAI has again, but it's a little bit more related to AI developers. It's about the models that are more efficient and now cheaper. So let's get started. So recently BART has got an update. Google has implemented Gemini Pro into BART, and they are trying to expand Gemini Pro into all the languages that they supported. Initially, Gemini Pro only supported English language really well, but now like other language speakers can use Gemini Pro soon. I think they are rolling out sequentially very soon. So according to what they told us, Gemini Pro has good understanding, reasoning, and creativity. So you can play with that soon. But more excitingly for me is that now BART can generate images using Imagen 2 technologies. As you can see here in this example posted on Google's website itself, it can generate images from the text that you describe the scene that you want. So let's actually try it and see how it works. So let's go into BART. You can sign up here. Actually, let's try to have a panda riding on a bike in the bamboo forest. Let's see. Generate and actually I want a aspect ratio 16:9 image of a panda riding a motorbike, let's say, in a bamboo forest. So the good thing about what I like about this is that now you can generate images for free. Previously, you might need to like spend some dollars in using OpenAI to create images or Midjourney to create images, but now you can use it for free with BART. Okay, let's see the result. Here is 16:9 images of a panda riding motorbike in a bamboo forest. Do I like it? I think I can go away with it. I can use it, but the image might not be as good as you want it to be. This one is it's a so-so image. So let's try it again. Maybe I need to improve my prompt. Let's see this. So generate I will add photo realistic image motorbike. Tiny improvement, and let's see how it's going to happen. Tiny improvement. So that's one of the technique to do prompting, is that you need to iterate and incrementally improve your prompt so that you can narrow down to the exact goal that you want. Let's see how it's going. Oh, actually that's pretty cool. I really like this one. If I'm going for something that is like quite quirky, I will go with this one. What about this? The hands are not looking good, but I guess it's doable. All right, so I want to try another one. Let's see. Maybe I'm creating fiction. So I want to create an image of a female warrior standing on the desolated island, similar to the moon, let's say. Generate an ultra realistic and okay, of a female outfitted in a warrior well, in a warrior dress, I guess, standing on a dry, desolated moon surface. Let's see how it goes. By the way I use Bard or text to image generation in my job is that anytime I have like a presentation where I want to present concepts, I would just ask Bard or OpenAI to suggest images that represent such concepts. That sucks. Okay, so it doesn't generate this image. Why? Maybe like a female is not a good. Maybe it's think that I'm being sexist. Okay, let's try to change this one. Okay, I want a realistic image of a rogue GUE, I guess, warrior standing on a dry, desolated moon surface. Okay, here, that one. Maybe I missed a word image in that previous prompt. All right, what? Okay, let's see. Ooh, that looks interesting. Okay, I'm not happy with that image yet. So let's try. I want more. 2 more. Without the S. Let's see how it goes. It's actually pretty fast. I used DALL-E before, and it takes quite some time to generate images. Oh man, I like this one. This is cool. This is cool. Okay. I like that. Now I want an image of the same concept, but with 2 warriors, 1 female and 1 male. Let's see. Let's see. Exciting. Oh, wow. Yeah, look like that. So it's kind of changed the concept from maybe like this to more modern, I guess. But if you like it, this is a good image to get started with. Okay, that's about Imagen that Google has now implemented in Bard, and then you can use it for free. Their next update is what they call it image effects and music effects. Now you can use generative AI to draw images and even come up with music in even better qualities. But unfortunately, I could not access this beta experiment from Google yet. But when it's open for me to use, I'll come back again. We'll come back again as to show you how it works. Okay, the next topic that we are going to talk about is about GPT Store. So last month, OpenAI launched a GPT Store. Basically, it's a space where you can create your own chat GPT to fit your purposes. Now let's go into it. So you can go to your own chat GPT interface. Now the GPT Store is right here at the top left corner. So when you click at it, you can see that there are already a lot of offers that you can use. I think they group it into 6 categories. It's like DALL-E for generating images, writing ChatGPTs, GPT for productivities, GPT for research and analysis, I guess, um, and programming, education, and lifestyle. So you can go down and explore what it is. So Canva already implemented one for sure. Actually, you can use it in Canva as well. Here is GPTs created by ChatGPT, of course. Oh, this is new. Plenty, a new your fun-friendly plant care assistance. This looks like fun. Let's check it out. This is my first time using it. Okay, Plenty, your fun, friendly plant care assistant. Okay. Let's try this one. If you have tomato plants that are not giving fruit, so let's see how it's going to help you with that. Okay, saying that, oh, sorry, that your tomatoes doesn't bloom. Okay, it's suggesting that maybe you don't have enough sunlight. Maybe the temperature is not good for your tomato. Improper watering, that can happen. I lived in Canada before. Temperature is definitely a thing. Nutrient imbalance. Okay, that's possible if your soil is not optimal. Pollination problems. Okay, this is new for me. Tomato are usually self-pollinating. Sometimes they need little help. I see. Okay. Stress factors. Okay. I want to ask about soil. How do I test soil? How do I test soil if it's optimal for tomato? Right? Testing your soil. Okay, pH level. Good one. NPK, right? Nutrient levels. Soil texture and drainage. Yeah, possible. If your pot kind of like doesn't have like a drainage for water, maybe it's just going to rot your plant's roots. That's possible as well. All right. Okay. So this is a test of the GPTs, custom GPTs that's available in GPT stores. For me, it's like it's just working on some master prompt behind the scene, and you interact it as you go along with it. It's similar to how you are going to use ChatGPT yourself, but it saves some time for you to actually create or craft your master prompt again and again. This is about programming, right? Okay, now let's actually go into making your own GPT. So you come here to the Explore GPT part, and here you have two buttons on the top right corner. You can create, or you can go to already made GPTs that you made yourself. For me, I haven't made anything yet. Oh, I actually had made something, and this is what I'm going to show you how to make it again. Okay, I use ChatGPT or BART if it works. But for now, I use ChatGPT to solve my problems. What I have problems right now is I'm kind of like a team lead, but my team members, they are mostly introvert, and I want to create meetings or engagements that helps people interact with each other. So how am I going to do that? I can ask ChatGPT to help with me. Something like this. So it's asking what I would like to make. So there are two ways to make your own GPTs. You can get help from GPT builders like this. So it's going to ask what you want, what you want it to be, something like that. Or you can go into a hard mode if you know what you are doing, going into the configure and fill out these forms, right? And then you'll get the answer you want. But the thing is, if you use the GPT Builder, going through this conversation with GPT Builder, it will auto-fill in the configure tab, and you all will take a look at that. Okay, let's go step by step. I'm excited. What I would like to make, they have two examples here. Like you can give it like a short examples like this. Make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products. This is a good idea for me to copy. I want to to create an interactive meeting with my team members who are mostly introverts, let's say. That's it. Let's try. So it's thinking what it should ask me, I guess. Updating GPT. Right, 5 seconds now. Large language models, they are quite slow because they have large size, so they need a lot of computation. So how about we name it introvert friendly meeting assistant? Does it work for you? No, I don't want to call somebody else to be introvert meeting. No, I don't want to label, well, explicitly people out as introvert. Come up with a better name. By the way, this name is going to be the name of your custom GPTs. And if you release it on the public, that name is going to be available publicly. Inclusive meeting facilitator, that is still a little bit strange. How about, well, okay, awesome meeting facilitator. Give me more ideas or more similar ideas. Interactive meeting enhancer. Okay, I'll decide to go with number 4th one. Go with fourth option. Moment of truth. 5 seconds again. Now it's giving me a logo for my GPT. Do I like it? I think I like it. Yes, I do like it. Okay, well, it's happy with my choice. Thank you. Okay, could you tell me more about what specific task you want the interactive meeting enhancer to help with during meetings? I want it to help me plan meeting sessions so that the meeting is interactive. More specifically, I want tricks and, well, I don't know what it's called, engaging activities so that everyone participating can voice their opinion, ask questions, etc. Maybe open up them up with ice, short, maybe like one short ice breaking activities. Maybe include anonymous feedback. Well, I'm really bad at spelling. Anonymous feedback section. Let's see how it's going to do. Arranging an effective meeting is always a pain for me. Like this is something that I need to improve, and I guess with GPT helping me on the ideas of how to make meetings more effective and engaging would be nice. Okay, You have refined its ability to help you plan sessions to be interactive, engaging for everyone, with icebreakers, engaging activity, and so on and so on. What would you like to test it out in the preview? Okay, it's asking me if I would like to test it out on the preview on the right panel. And is there anything else you would like to refine or add? Okay, let's see. It has options, 4 options now. That one of them is how can I make a team meetings more engaging? What are some icebreaker idea for my next meetings? Uh, How do I ensure everyone feels comfortable in sharing? Okay, let's say in the context that I just finished a sprint and I want everyone to come together and have a sprint review or something like that. My team just finished a sprint. I want to hold a sprint review meeting. Help me plan activities. Make sure. Okay, I just want to give it a really short short prompt. Doesn't really guide it that much. I want to see how it's behaving. Okay, sprint review meeting is a great way to wrap up your sprint. Okay, now wow, it has sections like pre-meeting preparation, objective settings, agenda distribution. Okay, that's a good one. Opening, welcome and icebreaker is suggesting me to have a quick icebreaker to lighten the mood. For instance, okay, now it's giving some example of how to do ice breaking. Ask everyone to share one word that describes their feeling about the sprint outcome. This helps to engage participant right from the start. I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe this is like jump right into the stuff too early. I want to, let's say I want to correct this one to opening, to be more small talks rather than touching anything related to sprint review. Give me 3 more ice breaking ideas. Let's see. Why is it working on that? Let's see. So after opening, it has sprint showcases. Okay, that can work. And then feedback round, retro closing. That's pretty good. Okay, now I asked it to give me 3 more ice-breaking ideas that has nothing to do with sprint review. Suggesting two truths or lies, true truths and a lie. Okay, this is a little bit much. Virtual show and tell. Okay, invite team member to share something unique and meaningful. I don't like that. Okay. Last one is unexpected commonalities. Perhaps, maybe. I don't think it fits, but you see the point now. Like, you can ask it to do to correct itself. Maybe let's try to say that. Okay, I choose option 3. Now summarize the plan so I can action on it. Okay, absolutely. Okay, pre-meeting, sprint review. Okay, so I think it's repeating itself, but now it's corrected to the opening section to the one that I want to use. And I guess after this, I can just print it out, send it to everyone, so that when the actual sprint review meeting comes, everyone is on the same page. Now, as I mentioned, I use the ChatGPT Builder, the conversational one, to build the GPT that I want, and then it's going to autofill in the configure. So let's take a look into that. here it is. The name is Interactive Meeting Enhancer, the one that I chose. The description, this is GPT's auto summarized it for me. Now, the key is here. This is the master prompt that the GPT Builder helped to create for making this custom GPT available. And as you see here, it has 4 conversation starters. You can change it here. And this is a thing that is available at when you start this GPT initially. I think that's pretty much it. You can take a look into this and improve the prompt yourself, so that it's performing better, more specific to the particular use case. For me, I don't think this is the GPT that I like. It doesn't really do what I really like. And if I want to spend more time, I will come here and fix this master prompt. Now, assuming that I'm happy with that, what do? I can save it. The buttons are at the top right top corner. You can save it. You have options to publish this to everyone, or just send anyone with a link can see it, or you can have it available for everybody. So I will go with everyone, and we'll see what happens. So if I choose to go with everyone option, it's automatically select category for me. Okay, it's done. So where is it now? Where can people see your custom GPT? If you are making it available, it will be shown here. You can search it. That's interactive. You can search by the name, meeting, interactive meeting enhancer. And here it is. Everyone can now use the GPT that I just created. And if you create it yourself and you made it publicly available, anyone in the world can use it too. Why do you want it to be public? I heard that in Q1 this year, OpenAI plans to have a I don't know what it's called, profit sharing model. Maybe that's not the right word, but for those custom GPTs that a lot of people, the general public use, the author or the creator of that GPT can make some money too. Isn't it nice? Okay, that's second topic done. I want to touch a little bit about a third topic that is a little bit more related to developers. So OpenAI has improved its embedding models. It's now better and cheaper. What is an embedding model? So embedding models, the way it works is essentially it's creating a representation of a sentence or of a paragraph into vectors. Vectors are a sequence of numbers that represents the whole concept. As you can see here, let's say that this Hossein Paul's word is given into the embedding models. The output of the embedding model are a sequence of numbers. Why is it useful? Today we have a technique called retrieval augmented generations. That's behind the application that you might be familiar with, like chat with your PDF or chat with your knowledge base. So essentially is when you have documents, the document must be converted into vectors by the embedding models. Vectors are sometimes called index. So essentially, the embedding models is a key component in the retrieval augmented generation. We might, Kestan will probably have another session to share about the advance in RAG or retrieval augmented generation in the future. But for now, this is the idea. The embedding model is working as a core behind the scene. So OpenAI has released to embedding model number 3. It has 2 versions, the small one and the large ones. The performance is significantly better than the previous models. So on this benchmark, the new model improved significantly, maybe like 10% based on their previous model. So this is the multi-language benchmark. This is an English-only benchmark. So in terms of English languages, the improvement is not that significant yet. The large model, the large embedding 3 model, significantly does perform better than the embedding, the small version, and the previous versions. On the other side, the cost, especially for the smaller model, is 5 times cheaper, but perform better. So I think like everyone in the RAG community is probably going to switch from the ADA version 2 to the text embedding 3 model. Now, what I find very useful is the size of the vectors too. So the embedding models digest the given text into a sequence of numbers, and the longer the sequence, the better it remembers or the better it represents that given text, right? But again, the longer the vectors, the more computation and storage you need to do, or you need to have to handle such RAG computation. But OpenAI shows that given that, assuming that you are using the embedding 3 large model, you can shorten the sequence that you want, but you can keep the performance relatively well. For example, for the large model, the maximum length is about 3072, but the score is about 64%. But if you shorten it down to only 256, you can still the performance is only dropped by 2%. But I think you can save up a lot of memory and processing, probably by what, like 8 times. I think it's worth it. And the way the API for shortening the sequence is really well implemented. You just specify the length that you need. You don't need to do anything else. You just say that, okay, I just want like 256, and that's it. That's all you need to do. That's pretty much it for today live session. Thank you very much for coming and checking us out. I'm Pisek from Kestan.ai. I'm very pleasure to be here, and I hope Kestan is going to produce more useful contents for AI enthusiasts as well as business and entrepreneurs who are interested in using AI technology to enhance their business or even their day-to-day jobs as well. Thank you very much and have a good day.